Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is about Dow Jones, S&P, gold, crude oil, forex and cryptos. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 35,382 after making low around 35,320. Interestingly, US has pulled all of the troops from Afghanistan and Taliban have captured the whole Afghanistan, especially Kabul, and that is why market is just staggering on a level. It should have crashed after Taliban have taken over, but interestingly, there is nothing which could affect the market nowadays, especially stock markets. It seems there is no problem in the world and the stock markets are maintaining their highs. Nonetheless, currently Dow Jones is trading 35,380. It is trading in weak zone according to the chart because the resistance stands at 35,500. Once market break 500 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise Dow Jones is looking weak. We might see Dow Jones testing around 35,300 and 35,200 very soon. Let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart, currently trading 44.53 after making low around 44.47 today. This is also trading in weak zone. Current resistance stands at 44.70. Once market break 44.70, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise it is looking weak. We might see S&P to test around 44.20 and even 4400 is also possible. Let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold prices, then we will go for crude oil, and we will go for forex and cryptos. This is gold prices. Currently gold is trading 1780. It made low around 1771 but bounced back very hard from the lows. It recently made low around 1771 just 1 hour ago. Currently set at 1779.50. It has entered in weak zone. Now the resistance will stand at 1785. If market breaks 1785 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. However, a major support in gold stands at 1768. Below 1768, expect gold prices to test up to 1760 and even 1750 is also possible. Let's move on with crude oil. This is crude oil chart, currently trading almost at the lowest point of the day after making low around 66.27. It is trading 66.47. Currently trading in weak zone. Resistance now stands at $68. Above $68, expect crude oil to recover up to $69 and $70. Otherwise it is looking weak. However, a major support in crude oil stands at $65. I have covered in weekly analysis, which I update on my Hindi channel, that the crude oil supports at $65. That is a very major support. Once market breaks $65, it would enter in a very bearish zone up to $62 and $60. Currently on intraday chart it is looking weak, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to forex. This is euro chart. Currently euro is trading at 1776 after making low around 1767. Euro have entered in weak zone. However, a major support is still intact at 1760. Below 1760, expect a free fall up to 1730 and 1700. Resistance now stands at 1800. Above 1800, expect 1820 and 1850. Currently it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound, comfortably trading 38.68, almost at the highest point of the day. This is the highest point of the day, 38.78. It is trading in positive zone. Support stands at 38.20. 38.20 will act as a major support. Once British pound break 38.20, then it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise it is looking positive. However, resistance stands at 39.10. Above 39.10, expect more blast up to 39.50 and 39.90. Let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin, currently trading $47,300 after making high around $48,000. Still it is trading in positive zone because the support stands at $46,400. Below 46,400 it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise Bitcoin is looking positive. Resistance however stands at $48,200. Currently it is in positive zones, avoid going for sell. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum currently trading 3282. Despite trading in 1% down from the last night's closing, it is trading in positive zone. Support stands at 3180. Below 3180 expect 3100 and 3000. Otherwise resistance at 3350. Above 3350 expect 3400 and 3500 is also possible. If you find this video useful, please like, share and comment on this video. If you want to avail my paid buy sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. You can also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in description. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.